Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install DJI app for your DJI Osmo Pocket camera. So in order to do that we'll need to open our app store and start searching for an app. Its name is DJI Mimo, and it's this app right here. So we're gonna download it. When it's done, click on the open. You will have a short tutorial on how to use the app. You will need to allow all of the permissions to the app as well. So you need to tap there, here and there, and your app is ready to be used. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.